Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try to improve your finances, no matter how much time you spend planning, meditating, or setting goals, your financial situation just doesn't seem to change? You work so hard, but still find yourself stuck in a cycle of scarcity. If this sounds familiar, the problem might not be external at all. It could be hiding in the very space where you spend the most time, your bedroom. Yes, that's right. The energy in your bedroom can play a significant role in the abundance, or lack of it, in your life. We are often unaware that certain items around us can subtly block the flow of prosperity, causing us to attract negative energy without even realizing it. These objects, which we may perceive as harmless or just part of everyday life, could be preventing us from achieving the wealth and success we deserve. Today, I want to talk to you about the 9 most common items that may be lurking in your bedroom right now, items that could be attracting poverty and stagnation into your life. By removing these things, you can shift the energy in your space and make room for abundance, prosperity, and success to flow in. It's all about making small changes that help you create the right environment for wealth and opportunity. Are you ready to let go of things that might be holding you back and make space for prosperity? Let's dive into the 9 items that could be blocking your financial growth and explore how removing them can help you align your energy with abundance. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that removing these items won't instantly turn you into a millionaire or magically improve your financial situation overnight. True transformation comes from a combination of mindset shifts, skill development, and practical actions. But this is a powerful first step, creating the right environment that supports your growth. When you declutter and remove these stagnant items, you're signaling to the universe and your subconscious mind that you're ready for change and for prosperity to enter your life. Let's start with the first item: single socks and worn-out underwear. It may sound trivial, but hear me out. These are items that we wear closest to our skin, and they hold a lot of energy. When socks are mismatched or torn, or when underwear has holes in them, they symbolize incompleteness. They send out an energy of lack. Think about it. Socks that don't match are a visual representation of not having a full pair. Underwear with holes, on the other hand, represents a lack of protection and support. This can unconsciously communicate to your mind that you are not fully supported, not fully covered, and not fully abundant. Removing these worn-out items may seem like a small action, but it sends a powerful message to your subconscious. When you replace old, torn socks with fresh, complete pairs and get rid of damaged underwear, you create an energetic space for abundance to flow into your life. This simple action tells your mind that you're ready to fully embrace abundance, wealth, and prosperity. Next up are old clothes that you no longer wear. This is one of the easiest places to start decluttering. Go through your closet and drawers and get rid of any clothes you haven't worn in the past year. Donate items that are still usable so others can benefit from them. The idea here is not only to declutter, but also to shift your energy away from scarcity. When you hold on to clothing that no longer serves you, whether it's out of style or doesn't fit, it sends a subtle message to your subconscious that you're holding on to the past. An overcrowded closet represents a mind filled with clutter. It suggests that you don't have enough space for new opportunities, wealth, and prosperity that are trying to enter your life. By clearing out your old clothes, you energetically make room for something new. You signal that you're ready for growth, change, and fresh opportunities. When you donate your old clothes to others, it not only helps you declutter, but also sends out a message of generosity, which is essential for attracting more abundance. Imagine your closet as a channel for wealth. When it's clear, abundance flows through it freely. Now let's talk about dusty books that you'll never read again. Books carry energy, whether you realize it or not. If you have old books that you've kept for years but never plan to read again, they could be creating stagnation in your space. A shelf filled with dusty, unread books represents unused knowledge, stifling new ideas from entering your life. Books are meant to be active, flowing sources of wisdom and growth. When we let them sit idle and forgotten on a shelf, the energy they hold becomes stale, blocking new insights and opportunities from coming your way. Take a look at your bookshelf. Are there books you'll never read again? If so, let them go. Donate them to someone who will benefit from them or pass them on to a friend. This simple act of clearing out your bookshelves will keep the energy of new ideas and knowledge flowing. The same applies to e-books or courses that you've purchased but never used. Clear them out of your digital space as well. When you regularly refresh your library, whether physical or digital, you create space for new, inspiring ideas to come into your life. The next item to remove is expired or unused beauty products. Take a good look at your beauty products, skincare items, makeup, and hair care products. Do any of them have an expiration date that's long past? If so, it's time to get rid of them. Just like food, beauty products lose their effectiveness and can even become harmful after their expiration date. Using old or expired products can transfer stagnant energy into your body and reflect a lack of self-care and self-worth. When you don't value yourself enough to use fresh, high-quality products, it subtly blocks the flow of abundance into your life. By clearing out expired beauty products and replacing them with fresh, nourishing items, you're sending a message to your subconscious that you deserve the best. You are worthy of quality and care, and by investing in your well-being, you signal that you're ready for abundance in all areas of your life, including self-care and financial prosperity. The fifth item is broken or outdated electronics. If you have old phones, computers, or other electronic devices that no longer work or are outdated, it's time to let them go. Broken electronics carry stagnant energy because they are no longer functional. Holding on to them can represent reluctance to upgrade, innovate, or embrace change. These items can also make your space feel cluttered and chaotic, which blocks the flow of prosperity. Take a moment to go through your electronics. If something is broken and can't be repaired, recycle it. If it's outdated but still functional, consider donating it to someone who can use it. When you clear out old electronics, you signal that you're ready for fresh, functional tools and resources that will support your journey towards success. This is a clear message to the universe that you're open to upgrading and stepping into new opportunities. As we continue, remember that decluttering isn't just about removing physical items, it's about removing energetic blockages. It's about creating space for the things you want to attract into your life, whether that's financial success, personal growth, or new opportunities. By making these simple shifts, you're aligning yourself with the energy of abundance. It's time to let go of the things that no longer serve you and make room for all the amazing things that are coming your way. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll explore more items to clear out from your bedroom to create space for prosperity and success. By clearing out outdated and worn items from your space, you're not just tidying up your surroundings, you're sending a message to the universe that you're open to receiving the best. Fresh, high-quality products that adorn your body help amplify your natural radiance, drawing attention to your well-being and success. When you take the time to care for yourself with premium treatments and self-care products, you elevate your vibrational frequency, which in turn attracts more prosperity into your life. The energy you project is magnified, and others can't help but notice and admire your confidence and vitality. So, take a moment to check the expiration dates on your beauty products. If you have makeup, lotions, hair treatments, or skincare products that have been sitting around too long, it's time to let them go. Expired items carry stale energy that can transfer to your body when used. You deserve fresh, potent products that will enhance your radiance, attracting the kind of abundance you're ready to welcome. Recycle or toss any products that have passed their prime, and make room for new treatments that will leave you glowing with vitality and success. Next on the list, worn out or damaged shoes. Shoes are not just something we wear, they carry us through life. They're the foundation that supports our every step. When our shoes are worn out, with frayed heels or holes in the soles, it's not just physically uncomfortable, it's energetically draining. Shoes that are broken or unsupportive slow us down in every way, both in our movements and our energy. Think about the message worn shoes send. They suggest that you're not fully supported or empowered, and they can make you feel limited, unworthy, or stuck. On the other hand, wearing shoes that are sturdy and well-made gives you the confidence to walk through life with purpose and energy. Strong, elevated shoes symbolize strength, success, and a positive outlook. If your favorite shoes just have a scuff or two, consider repairing them. But if they're truly falling apart, it's time to let them go. This is your chance to make room for shoes that reflect the person you're becoming, someone empowered, unstoppable, and ready to take on life with enthusiasm and determination. Take the time to purge your shoes, removing any that no longer serve you. Replace them with shoes that support you both energetically and physically. When you step into the world, your shoes should carry you with confidence, not weigh you down. Remember, your shoes are an extension of how you feel about yourself, so choose ones that make you feel powerful and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. Now, let's address incomplete accessories and empty shoe boxes. It might seem like a small thing, but empty jewelry boxes, single earrings without their match, and unused shoe boxes can all send an energetic signal of incompleteness. When we hold on to these items, we're unconsciously holding on to the idea of lack. Something isn't quite right, something is missing. The universe abhors a vacuum, meaning empty spaces attract energy to fill them. And when those spaces are filled with things that don't align with wholeness or abundance, they attract more lack. It's time to clear out the incomplete. Get rid of lone earrings, empty jewelry boxes, and any mismatched accessories. If you come across unused shoe boxes for shoes you no longer own, recycle them. By doing so, you're clearing out the energy of scarcity and making room for completeness. This simple act of clearing out the old and incomplete sends a message to the universe that you no longer tolerate lack. You are making space for abundance and alignment in your life. Next up are tattered blankets, sheets, and comforters. Your bedding is one of the most intimate areas of your space. You spend a significant amount of time in your bed, and your sheets and blankets come into direct contact with your body each night. When your bedding is worn out, stained, or frayed, it carries the energy of depletion. You deserve to be wrapped in comfort, softness, and luxury. Worn bedding can subtly send the message that you don't deserve to feel pampered or abundant. Replacing old, damaged bedding with high-quality, luxurious linens can elevate your energy while you sleep. It's not just about comfort, it's about telling yourself, "I deserve the best." Your bed should be a sanctuary, a place where you can rest and recharge in a space that supports your prosperity and well-being. When you invest in new, fresh bedding, you're sending a powerful signal to your subconscious mind that you're worthy of abundance, dignity, and relaxation. A peaceful, comfortable night's sleep is the foundation for waking up with the energy to take on your day and manifest your dreams. Another important aspect of creating an energetically aligned bedroom is clearing physical clutter. Look around your space. What do you see? Broken items, outdated electronics, excessive paperwork? Clutter can accumulate in our bedrooms without us even noticing, but the effect it has on the energy in the room is significant. When we keep items that no longer serve us, such as old furniture, damaged knickknacks, or even bills we've forgotten to sort, it creates stagnant energy. This clutter reflects mental clutter, and when your physical environment is filled with unnecessary items, your mind can become overwhelmed as well. Clutter in your space reflects clutter in your mind, and mental clutter blocks the flow of creativity, opportunities, and abundance. Clearing out broken or outdated items, removing excess furniture, and organizing your paperwork is an essential step in creating space for prosperity. A clutter-free bedroom opens up the flow of energy, making room for new opportunities to enter your life. Go through your entire room and clear out anything broken, expired, unnecessary, or unloved. This includes knickknacks that don't bring you joy, furniture that you no longer use, and outdated electronics that are just taking up space. Your bedroom should be a haven, an open, spacious environment that allows positive energy to flow freely. Finally, let's talk about unused hangers and hooks. Take a look at your closet. Are there unused hangers or hooks just sitting there, waiting for something to hang on them? It might seem like a small detail, but energetically, unused hangers send a message of stagnation. These objects are not fulfilling their purpose, and their emptiness can subtly block the flow of energy in your space. Removing unused hangers and hooks is a simple way to open up your closet and make space for new opportunities to hang around in your life. Remember, nature abhors a vacuum. By eliminating unused hangers, hooks, and other organizational tools, you're opening up space for fresh energy and new opportunities to enter. This act creates an invitation for prosperity and growth to find a place in your life. Take a moment to evaluate your organizational tools and only keep what you need and use regularly. This will help create an environment that is ready to welcome abundance and success. Now that we've explored what to remove from your bedroom, let's take a moment to understand why these items attract poverty and even disease. At first glance, something like an old shirt or a stack of books may seem harmless, but on an energetic level, these items can have a very real negative impact. Everything is energy, even the physical items we surround ourselves with. When we keep old, worn out, or broken items in our space, they emit low-frequency energy. This energy slows down the flow of fresh, vibrant energy into our lives, blocking the prosperity and success we want to manifest. A cluttered, stagnant environment can weigh you down emotionally, mentally, and physically. It can contribute to ongoing struggles with finances, health, and motivation. Just as a blocked road stops traffic from moving, energetic clutter blocks the flow of positive energy into your life. This stagnation can also manifest in physical illness. When the energy around us is stuck, it creates an environment where disease can take root. But when you clear out the clutter and make room for fresh, vibrant energy, healing and prosperity can flow through you without obstruction. By removing these items, you open up channels for wealth, wellness, and opportunity to enter your life with ease. So, clear your space, elevate your energy, and get ready to welcome abundance into your life.